Today I am reviewing the Philips FX10 Bluetooth Stereo System. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's talk design first. The Philips FX10 looks like a true stereo system, not a cheap plastic speaker pretending to be something more. With its minimalist black aesthetic, clearly labeled buttons, and bright display, it blends easily into a modern or classic home setup. The system comes with two bass reflex speakers that not only look professional, but are tuned for impactful, room-filling sound. Under the hood, you're getting 230 watts of total power output, which is more than enough to shake up your living room with crisp highs and deep, satisfying lows. Whether you're playing a mellow jazz playlist or cranking out high-energy EDM, this stereo can handle it all with clarity and confidence. One of the standout features of the FX10 is Bluetooth wireless streaming. In today's world of mobile convenience, being able to stream music from your smartphone, tablet, or even laptop without plugging in any cables is a major plus. Whether it's Spotify, YouTube Music, or even your favorite podcast app, Bluetooth connects quickly and stays stable. But that's not all. The system also features a CD player and USB port. So if you're like me and still enjoy playing your old CD collection or a flash drive filled with MP3s, you're covered. This system bridges the gap between old school media and modern streaming beautifully. For those who still love the charm of radio, the FX10 comes equipped with FM digital tuning and preset station options. You can save your favorite stations and access them quickly without having to retune every time. It's convenient and just makes the whole experience smoother. Now let's talk sound quality, and this is where the FX10 really shines. It uses a dual amplifier design, meaning the woofer and the tweeter each have their own amplifier. The result? A clear separation of frequencies. The highs remain pure and crisp, while the lows hit deep and full without muddying the sound. And if you're craving a bigger sound, just tap the max sound button. This is Philips' proprietary tech that boosts the bass and volume instantly without distorting the audio. It gives the whole track an energy shot, making movies, games, and high-octane tracks feel more immersive. An audio import is also available for even more connectivity, so you can plug in your MP3 player or other devices directly using a 3.5mm cable. To top it all off, the Philips FX10 comes with a remote control, so you can easily control volume, skip tracks, and switch inputs without getting up from the couch. That's a small touch, but it adds a lot of comfort and convenience. In terms of who this stereo is for, if you're someone who values both modern wireless features and traditional CD and FM playback, the Philips FX10 is an excellent all-around system. It's great for a home office, bedroom, or even a medium-sized living room. The sound is powerful enough for house parties, but also balanced enough for everyday background listening. The Philips FX10 Bluetooth Stereo System is a feature-rich audio setup that gives you modern streaming capabilities, classic media playback, and impressive sound clarity, all in one compact unit. At 230 watts with Bluetooth, CD, USB, FM, and more, it's hard to find another stereo in this price range that delivers this level of versatility and power. Highly recommended for anyone looking to bring music back into their home in a big, bold, and beautiful way.